Hello kids, in today's English learning we are going to take up the next digraph, combination of vowel and consonant AY, and the sound is A. As usual kids, you are supposed to write date, classwork and put the heading sound of digraph. Next digraph we have is a combination of vowel and consonant, and together it again gives the sound A. Like AI, it again gives sound A. Let's start to write the first word and understand how the sound is produced by. The first word we have is D-A-Y. Day. Day. When the sun shines, it is day. Today, it is a pleasant day. Starting with H, the next word we have is H-A-Y-A. Hay. Hay. Dry grass is called hay. It is gathered in bundles and rolls. In the next word, starting with P per sound, A-Y, pay. The word is pay. We buy things and pay money, either in cash or with card. In the first letter with R, A-Y-A, the word is ray. Ray. A straight line with no end is a ray. Light travels in a straight line called ray. Next sound is starting with W capital, A-Y-A, and we get the word way. Way. To reach at a right place, we take a way. Starting with P per capital and L, adding L, the sound is pl, A-Y-A, the complete word is play. Play. Children like to play many games. Now, instead of P, we will write C and L-A-Y, clay. The word is clay. Clay. Colored clay can be used to play, and natural clay is used to make pots. Now, the first sound is starting with T, R, TR, tr, AY, A, tray, tray. We serve eatables and other things in a tray. Tray can be of different colors and shapes. Starting with S, P, spur. This is again a digraph, spur, and R-A-Y, spray. Spray. In this clip, spray is being used to sanitize the hands. Man is also using spray to clean the refrigerator. Next word starting with A capital. After A, we will write W-A-Y. Adding A with way. The word is away. Away. In this clip, the girl got scared of her own shadow. She is running away from her shadow. Running away. Last word in this digraph we have, starting with H, her, H-O-L-I, holly, and we will write D-A-Y, day. The word is holiday. Holiday. We enjoy holiday. No work, no play. Just relax. It's holiday. Remember children, you are to repeat the words once again, starting from the center. Again, you are to write the words twice. Day. Write neatly. Thank you.